Hey there, Brisbane teachers and school leaders. I'm going to be running a couple of workshops that I'd love you to come along to. First one's on the 20th of May, and it's for teachers. Restorative classrooms, strong classrooms is all about you getting the two big benefits that I've had from working restoratively. More effect. Kids just make more progress socially and academically when I'm practicing restoratively around them, and I reckon that's a good thing. And also a lower stress level. I know that the work I do every day is pretty close to what I believe about working with young people. On the 21st of May, I've got a workshop/seminar for school leaders titled The Art of School Culture Leadership. We're going to be having a really good deep dive into what the culture of a school actually is, how you can step into the mantle of leading it effectively, and we're even going to do a bit of design work, a little bit of art, about how it is that you can get started on that straight away. 20th of May for our teachers, 21st of May for our school leaders. Really hope you'll join us.